Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. I am the one who is hosting this week's Facebook group Collab, and our theme is Luck of the Irish. With the St. Patrick's Day approaching, I decided to host this theme, especially here in the United States, or at least in that area where I live. St. Patrick's Day is a big holiday, and unfortunately this year the St. Patrick parades so far were all cancelled, but I thought that I would still try to put some St. Patrick designs on my nails and that it would be a great theme for our Facebook group Collab. If you do enjoy these type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope that you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box, including all the video links to the other ladies who joined into the collab with me. At the end of my video you will also find all the manicures that were created for today's collab. If you hear some weird noise in the background, it's the wind. It's really windy right now. But anyways, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. If you do have any additional questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.